Okay, so we've talked about what variable costs are, and we know now what fixed costs are. Let's illustrate the impact of varying levels of production, or the quantity of units that we're going to produce in this little item, or this exercise, or this illustration, and see what the impact of fixed costs per unit does to our total cost. So, referring to this sheet, I hope you can read my hieroglyphics here. We're going to produce 30,000 units. The total variable costs associated with building those 30,000 units is $180,000. So to embellish upon this, the direct material and the direct labor associated with making this product, and 30,000 of them, is $180,000. So you're automatically saying, they cost $6 each. You're correct. And the fixed cost in support of this manufacturing process costs $300,000. So our total cost to make 30,000 units is $480,000. Well, let's break that down into its component parts. If we have 180,000 of total variable costs and we produce 30,000 units, the variable cost per unit is $6. The fixed cost per unit, 30,000 units into 300,000, is $10. Therefore, the total cost of this product, if we produce 30,000, is $16. Well, let's make 40,000, or let's just assume we're going to make 40,000. 40,000 units. By the way, this is what? $6 per unit. There's $6 of direct material. There's $6 of direct labor in this, there's X amount of material in this product and X amount of direct labor, and it totals up to be $6. $6 times 40,000 units is $240,000. We still, however, incur that fixed cost of $300,000. So our total cost then is the sum of $540,000. What is the variable cost per unit? It doesn't change. It's still $6. But alas, 40,000 into 300,000 is $7.50. The cost of our product is now no longer $16, it's now $13.50 if we make 40,000 units. Well, let's just say we have the capability in our manufacturing facility, with all the equipment that we have and the size of the building, we can make 50,000 units. 50,000 units at $6, our variable costs are going to be $300,000, and our fixed costs remain the same at $300,000, which brings us to a total of $600,000. The variable costs are $6. The fixed costs are now no longer $750 per unit. 50,000 into 300,000 is $6. The cost of a unit is now $12. What we have just illustrated very clearly is as you spread your fixed cost across more units, as the quantity increases, the fixed cost per unit decreases. Ergo, I am getting economies of scale. So when you ever hear the term, we're scaling up, or with increases in scale, we're going to lower our costs, yes. So why is it that Southwest Airlines, for example, run so profitably? Their point of break even, because they keep their fixed costs so low, allows them to drive their overall cost of a seat mile to be very low. And I'll guarantee you that Apple is trying to do the same thing while they manufacture their product. Although, granted, they use a contract manufacturer, Foxconn, in China. But you understand the concept. The more you make, the lower your overall cost.